Everybody group up on me. Pick a side. The other thing too is I wonder what happens when that steam gets to 10. Probably not good stuff.
My steam is still 0.
I don't know. Last time mine got to 9.
So's mine.
Probably take
9 less than 10.
Maybe we stay together, it stays down.
Hold on, let me check my calculator. It is less than 10.
Ball should be coming. There it is.
Spin around. Storms come. Every group up. It's got frost lore on it.
Getting hub up.
That was definitely better. I think what screwed us up was when we got the aggros. Turned them around.
Yep. Yeah, the swipes are...
Shock Romley.
Romley, back up. Just take the throw with you.
Stanham's way is up.
Don't run.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
up. That's cool, maybe that's not bad.
Everybody group up on me. Let's get the troll back in the middle. Back in the middle.
We gotta stay in a tight group. Got hunters off to the side.
Hit me first. I'm moving.
Last stand.
So get him back in the middle, dude. Come on.
Yep, I'm just waiting for everybody shocking to...
Yeah, the shock's not that bad.
I think the further you stretch it, the less it works.
They went down. I didn't take a hit at all. Nothing. Got no hit.
Arm target away.
I just pass it on to someone else. Who pass it on to a third and fourth person then?
No, because when you got away, it stopped. It looks like it stopped.
You mind if I do oath?
I watched
Yeah, go
it.
ahead.
Okay.
I would like
Almost seems
heals.
like it doesn't
Oath.
I'm trying